Capstone Assignment 1. Hurricanes are storms with violent winds that take place in the Caribbean. They do millions of dollars in damage each year. Since the Atlantic coast is becoming warmer, this is making it a lot more common for storms to crash in these areas. A place that gets hit every year by multiple hurricanes is the Florida's Gulf Coast, more specifically Panama City. The wind and rain are so bad during these storms that people must evacuate homes, cars, and stores. Hurricanes are tragic. We are lucky, though, that we have the better ability to track them and predict what is going to take place during these storms, so we are able to be better prepared for them. These storms thrive in warm water, and the warm air feeds into the storms, creating them to become bigger and bigger. Florida's Gulf Coast is one of the main places that gets hit several times throughout hurricane season. This year, the chance of it hitting has increased. The Eastern Coast, Gulf Coast, and Panhandle hurricane season has increased 15% this upcoming year. The prediction of this year has at least 16 tropical storms hitting the coast of Florida, with 8 of them turning into hurricanes. Their predictions on how many hurricanes are going to happen this year are much higher than they have been in the past. The predictions are higher than they normally are, and the usual amount of hurricanes each year is about 6.5. The upcoming season is predicted to be much worse. Everyone needs to be prepared for it. At the end of the day, it is just really important to be prepared for hurricane season. It looks like it is going to be much worse than last year, and it is better to be prepared for it. With the predictions being made, it looks like there will be at least one hurricane level 3 or higher that will hit Panama City, Florida. In the chart below, I put all the hurricanes that directly hit Panama City directly first. There is not that many, but there have been hundreds of hurricanes that have done damage to the city. Just by listing these few and looking at them, we are able to tell that over the years, the storms have increased in every category. From the looks of the future, hurricanes are only going to become stronger, and they will take place more frequently. The chart below is just a very small example of showing that this is true.